Hello everyone, if you're getting this error, this video is not available on your location when you're trying to watch any video on Twitter, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Twitter easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Play Store and here you're going to search for Proton VPN and then you're going to click onto this first VPN, Proton VPN. You're going to go ahead and install it, and once it's done installing, you're going to open it up. And here you're just going to click on connect and then it will find the fastest country for you. And once it's done connecting, now you're just going to open up the Twitter application on your phone. And here when you try to watch any video, you'll see that you will not get that this video is not available error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.